at mas ayos at nakakakamang lalaki para sa iyo.
Tama ka. Tama naman po. Oo, wala akong mali sa sinabi ko.
Kilala ko rin si Jomar Lovena nga ako. So,
This is
I believe
my
na
first
hindi
day
siya magsasalita. Ganyan nung si Jomar kasi meron siyang issue na ganito,
me
hindi siya
being
nagsasalita.
jobless.
Hinahayaan niya lang na mamatay.
Nag-render pa rin ako.
So,
I have to render
para sa akin,
30
it's a
days
coward move,
sa
no?
work
Personal comment ko. Pero,
before
I don't know. And I really hope,
they
Jomar,
considered
na
me
mahanap mo ulit ang life
as
sa career mo. At syempre,
unemployed or
alam mo, Jomar, kung bakit ka na ako. And I believe it is.
not their employee. So now,
Hindi ka rin masaya sa
kahapon
ginagawa
nangyari,
mo buhay. Akala mo lang
kinausap ko yung mga
iba pa rin yung liwanag
anak ko
ng mga videos mo noon.
kung papalo ba sila
ng iyong
kapag
partner.
mag-a-abroad
Tingnan
ako
mo,
pero hindi
how
sila
many
pumalo.
views are you making now? Meron ka pa bang fame? Meron ka pa bang pera? Maybe, pero hindi na tulad na.
Nag-iisip akong now.
Yun na yun. So, just be a
Iisip
good
ko
father,
now,
just be a good you. And
kung
hopefully, makita mo ulit ang liwanag.
kahapon dapat kasi mag-apply ako
Napakalungkot mo na ngayon.
after my gig.
Lalo na, hindi mo na rin mahanap ang karir mo. Eh, tandaan niyo,
Thursday,
mga ko,
I was supposed
isa
to
po yan sa mga
go back to
kasabayan
the
ko kasi
Cubao,
ako isa sa
to
mga
Cubao
tao sa social media
to apply
dito sa Pilipinas.
for a new
And
job.
actually,
But
medyo
hindi
nauna
nangyari
ako
dahil
ng
nagkaroon kami ng
ako.
problema
Pero
ng
nauna ako kay Joka. Sobrang
nanay
tagal
ng mga
na
anak
tao
ko.
na yun sa social
So,
media. Tingnan nyo, nandiyan pa rin siya sa ganyang klase ng buhay. Di ba?
napag-usapan
Usually,
na
Jomar,
namin
yung mga ganyang edad tulad mo, di ba?
yun na,
Tinan mo ko, ganito na.
I have
na,
to
di ba? Nasa ayos.
find a new
Baka puro katarantaduhan lang yan.
job,
Nasa utak
a
mo
new
lang yan.
hustle. So,
Di ba? Di mo na kailangan na tumigil na
now,
sinong babae. You should be,
I'm
hindi naman pangit yung partner mo.
about
Di
to
ba? So, man,
take my lesson.
oh, eto na ko.
Hindi ko alam kung lesson yun, pero ngayon, ang gagawin ko na lang
Cheating is a choice, not a mistake. One day you
maganda
will meet a man who will
and
always make you
try
feel
ko
like
na mag-apply
you are
mamayang gabi sa Cubao.
ito. Ang kapal naman ni Jomar, kung mambabae pa, guwapo yan. So, ano yung ibig sabihin? Pangit ba yan?
Pero ando pa rin ako sa torn between job and creating my own business. Pero wala akong, I'm incapable of doing my own business as of now because I don't have money to pursue it.
One love, good pa. One love.
I don't have any capital.
Yes, of course.
I'm broke. At this age I am right now, sadly
I love my hands-free Skechers
I
slippers.
accept
Yeah, the photo shoot's gonna be at
that
your
I'm
store.
still
You just step in
I'm
and
broke.
go. No bending down, no
walang
touching your
ipon, no
shoes.
savings at all.
Actually, we just changed it to the boardwalk. They're super comfy and available in lots of adorable
I did
styles.
try to talk to my
Now they're
son,
saying it's on a yacht,
my
so I can be ready
eldest son.
for everything. Don't answer that.
Dahil
Don't
meron
answer
siya
that.
sariling business, so nag-try ako sa kanya, kausapin siya, baka sakali kailangan niya ng tao. Actually, that is my second time na nag-try again. But
As the game's referee, you've been
he not rejected me, but
you are now a supplicant.
siya yung pinupush ko kasi. May kasosyo siya ron, pero siya yung pinupush ko dahil siya yung pinakaugat ng business nila. Na kapag binunot mo, nga yung dalawang kasama niya. So may kapangyarihan talaga siya, totally.
Wasn't just starting.
Pero I understand na nire-respeto niya lang yung dalawa. Pero kapag binraso niya yan, kalalagyan siguro ako, pero baka ayaw niya rin. Ayaw niya din ako makasama sa trabaho, na awkward din siya. So now, I have a whole day to think of kung papasok ako sa work to render or mag-apply sa this is my day 3. Wish me luck, people. Sana
Feast your eyes, for a real show.
no. I'm on my third day since I
What are those?
document
Okay, so I first got
this
the
blog,
Jumanji,
and
I was excited because I wanted to work with Dwayne The Rock Johnson. and
what
Kevin
happened
Hart.
yesterday
It sounded like a
is
fun group.
I enjoyed the day with
and when I
my
read the
kids,
script, I connected with the girl
Hannah and
character, because
Tetep
at one point, you know,
in the pool,
inhabited most of the movie. I'm inhabited by this girl,
and
and it could have
gumawa rin ako ng
different ways, like maybe I'm just being myself,
podcast
but,
kasama si
the girl
Q.
is inside me, but my voice is me.
At saka yun, nagbabad sa pool
that I've been doing
habang
since
nanonood.
college years, and just messing around.
So,
And I had this girl inside me that I wanted to
tinatamad
bring
pa
out
yung
for this
utak
movie.
ko
And I said to Jacob, like,
na kumilos, pero
like sound and
nandun ako sa turn na kung siguro meron akong budget,
so that was my way.
baka nakapagsimula na akong gumawa. I'm thinking about selling chicken,
Name like
manukan, pero wala akong budget, wala akong puhunan eh. So, nandun nakapako yung utak ko mula kahapon until now. So now, hindi ko masabi kung gagawa ako or gagawin ko, pero I will try. Hindi ako tinatamad, pero andun ako sa estado na
Anything with like
ayoko munang kumilos dahil sa mga nangyayari.
destroyed it in any way, and I will make a mountain out of that molehill. Okay, Anchorman, one of the best movies ever.
Yan. Sana
I mean,
kung papanoorin mo ako ngayon,
embody these people and then like become them. Do you have a
balitaan mo ako kung ano nangyari sa'yo
Do you have a voice to where a certain person?
after this episode
all hair
of
and
my
mustache,
life,
sideburns,
of our
all of
life.
it. But the thing that is kind of similar to this and the